Your Sonos Ace does have two special features over here with that button. It's the noise cancelling and the aware mode. Basically, what they both do is that they take the sound from the outside with those microphones that we can find all around the headphone, and they will send it back inside. With noise cancelling, it will send a reverse phase wave to cancel the audio from outside, and in aware mode, it will resend what is from outside directly to your ear, so you're able to be aware if a car is passing by, danger is not so far, or just to talk with someone that talk to you by keeping your headphone on the head. You can switch between those two modes with that button. But there's also a third mode, and it's simply to set this off. For this, we will need to visit the Sonos app right here, visit the setting gear, go down to Sonos Ace, and here you can see we have those three modes of noise control. And you can see if I press the button, it will toggle between noise cancelling and aware mode. But if I go down a little bit, there is here noise control. The button will control, as you can see, only those two ones. If I'm enabling the third one off, now when I'm controlling with the button, it will toggle between the three modes. So I hope this was helpful.